please welcome to the arena the Konyak Cultural Troupe. They shall be performing for us the Shamshu WANTE LOKPU hymn, a traditional song. Shamshu WANTE LOKPU hymn is a traditional song of the Konyak tribe, sung by women during the process of pounding rice. This activity is an essential part of daily life before the advent of modern rice mills. It involves the use of a mortar, a large carved piece of log with one or more holes on the top, and a pestle, which is a smaller blade used for pounding grains. The song is typically slow, rhythmic, and melancholic, reflecting the laborious nature of the task. It is sung to the beat of the pounding, and the lyrics vary depending on the situation of the community or family. The topics of the songs could range from personal reflections and emotions to community events or the changing seasons, providing a form of emotional expression during the repetitive task of pounding rice and other grains. In Konyak culture, rice pounding was a communal activity practiced by every household, and the songs associated with it became a way to strengthen social bonds, reflect on daily life, and offer a sense of continuity in the face of hard work.
Ladies and gentlemen, we kindly request all non-participants, media personnel and tourists to kindly keep away from the performing area and stay within the demarcated area. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Konyak Cultural Troupe. Up next, performing for us is Brazilian Cultural Troupe.